Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see, it's 7:29 a.m. I'm dressed. I just threw something on because I gotta take my car to have it serviced. It's been acting a little weird lately. And my neighbor, she's gonna follow me so I can drop it off. What's been happening lately is the ABS brake light keeps coming on. It's sporadically. It's not all the time. And then also another thing is getting my car out of park. You know, when I start it up and try to shift it out of park, sometimes it won't budge. Sometimes it will. Sometimes I have to press down on the brake harder and it'll move. When I cut it off, it'll, different things. But with that being said, that's too much. It's a warning sign to me. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and break down and drop it off. I even seriously considered getting another car. But I'm thinking, why? I'm not working anymore. I'm at home most of the time. My little Explorer serves me well. It just needs a little TLC every now and then because I've been neglecting it. I did have a Mercedes-Benz, which I've gotten rid of. And I got rid of that before I left LA because the parking situation there at the time, that was before I even knew I was moving or selling the house. I had to park 2 cars and move them every Tuesday because there was no parking. The garage, you have to go through the alley to get in the garage, but the garage was full, so there was no parking in there. So I had to park on the street in front of the house. But it was so frustrating that every Tuesday I had to move 2 cars, and I just got tired of that. And then I preferred my SUV. So I got rid of the Mercedes. And I kept my SUV because, I can put a lot of stuff in there. Anyway, yeah, one thing in the past, anytime I go to dealership, I have to try to be careful because they get me every time. I come out of there, take my car in and have it serviced and come out with a new car. It ain't happening. Not this time. No, sirree. Nope, I'm not doing it. They're not going to get me. Y'all going to laugh at me if I come out with a new car. But seriously, no, I'm not going to do that. So anyway, my neighbor, I'm waiting for her. I think we're going to go about 8:30. She'll follow me up there. And then I'm going to come back, and later on this evening, I'm going to do some Christmas decorating. Even though I say every year that I'm not going to do it, I do it anyway. All right. Is there a hole in my... All right, I'll see you all later. I don't know why every year I say I don't feel like putting the Christmas tree up, and then I turn around and put the Christmas tree up. It's later on in the day, and I decided to go ahead and do it. So what I have to do now is switch the chase side of my sofa to the opposite side to make room for my Christmas tree. Living room isn't that big, and I'm trying to make the best of it. I'll have to remove some items in order to put the Christmas items in. But here, as you can see, I'm just trying to make it work by shifting some of this furniture around and making some changes.
You and me in the same dream. If we open our hearts while we're making a start to remember the one part of every soul beneath their guard.
This is the beginning of getting it started for Christmas. Even though every year I say I'm not going to decorate, I get these last minute feelings. Last night I switched everything around. Excuse the mess, of course. It's going to get messy before it gets better. And I shifted this over onto this side. It was over here. I occasionally switch it back and forth. But since I'm going to put the Christmas tree up here, as you can see, my living room is small. I moved that over there. Moved the basket there Put the one chair here and one chair here. And I'm going to go ahead and try to put the tree in here because I looked at some videos to see how I did it last year. Because I wasn't sure did I have this couch again, but I did. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move this, of course. A few things have to come out, but I think I can make it work. And then now I have a sofa table behind there so I can put things on there, which a lot of this stuff will come out, be replaced with Christmas stuff. Some stuff here possibly. Somehow I'm a little bit confused. The tree that I have in the collar actually is my old tree, a smaller tree from way back. I keep them both in the storage bag, and then I finally realized after doing that that was the wrong tree. However, now I got to find the base for the big tree. I got to see what did I put that in. Then I'm confused because it's not labeled as to what is the bottom, the middle, or the top. Well, I know what the top is, but the two middle and the bottom, I'm not sure till I put it in there. I did find a stand for the tree. So the other tree, the little tree, will go in the bedroom. This one will go in here, of course. And there's the decorations and some more over there in the hallway. And I know tomorrow is Thanksgiving. Usually people start the day after Thanksgiving, but I'm getting a head start today. I've decided to go ahead and put it in front of the window as usual. Especially if you have a window, you might as well just put it there, even though it's going to be tight walking through here. Another place I considered was over here, moving everything from over here and put it there. But that doesn't make any sense either. So when all else fails, put it in front of the window. Maybe I can turn the little ottoman that I have around in the opposite direction to give me more space. But I'll see once I get everything up. I gotta move this. This one was when I was in the hospital. They brought this to me. decorate my little area for Christmas. This tree is still a work in progress. I have to put ornaments on it. I'm just taking my time. As you can see, I'm here in the bucket. I'm no rush. I still have a little bit of time.